Hi, M5860. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Miriam Matabato. I am 40 years old. I am single. I am the eldest. I graduate as a vocational course, Business Management Information. I am a Catholic.
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
My working experience, I work in Kuwait for more than 2 years. I serve 7 members of the family, 2 elderly and 5 adults.
Okay, and household chores that you do.
My duties are cleaning the entire house, washing and ironing the clothes, and assisting the elderly.
Okay, and you also have an experience here in the Philippines,
Yes, I have experience here in the Philippines for almost 3 years. I work in 5 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children.
right? 4 members.
Yes.
Okay. So you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
And you are afraid to take care of a newborn
Yes, sir.
because you don't have any experience.
Yes, sir.
But do you have an idea?
Yes, sir.
Only idea, but you
Only
don't
idea.
have. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it's a good country and high salary.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs my service.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't have any idea, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food
And how will you learn to cook?
by reading a cookbook and YouTube.
Okay, YouTube. And you could also help your madam and sir if they have a time to
Yes,
prepare some
I'm
food.
reading process their cook and preparing their food.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup
Yes,
by your
sir.
employer. How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly, helping
sir.
them go to bed, to bathroom.
Yes, sir. I'm willing to take care of elderly.
Okay, how about also taking them to the hospital for checkup? It is okay with you?
Yes, sir. It's okay for me.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn how to speak Cantonese.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me as your domestic helper, I promise to work very hard and I will love your family and children as my own family. I am honest, trustworthy, and have long patience.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Miriam.
Thank you.